Hello people, Nuno Nico here. Today we're going to talk about the Zylmex F-104 Starfighter. One of Zylmex's early toys manufactured in the early 70s. This one has a clear plastic windshield, machined wheels, and the earliest version of installing landing gear with these plastic posts that are pressed into the body of the plane. You'll see in future videos I'll do. This was very common for a lot of the models they made. The classic Z logo with the Zylmex name, and here at the rear we have the earliest version of the Z logo with the Dyna-Flights name. And the designation of the aircraft, Starfighter F-104 JG, manufactured in Hong Kong, China, mold marking A110, which, if you're following the lineage of these airplanes, this is the 11th airplane made under the Dyna-Flights name. Now, I don't have a catalog that goes back that far, an American catalog rather. My earliest Intex catalog is 1979, but I do have this foreign catalog put out by Trademark Modern Toys under the toy line Hot Wings. And it has a hand-drawn picture of the Starfighter with the U.S. Air Force markings. Trademark Modern Toy logo. And when we open up this catalog, which is really just a 3-piece leaflet, we see the Starfighter with Japanese Air Force stickers, which is an even harder variation to find here in America. And these are the only two variations I've seen of this aircraft. Thanks for watching, people. Make it a great day.
Hey!